This is the nucleus of the cell. A nucleus is a circular structure which is found inside the cell, and it is also known as the central part of the brain of the cell. Nucleus is made up of double membranes, that is outer membrane and that is inner membrane. There is a liquid present inside the nucleus known as nucleoplast, and in this nucleoplast a tangled thread-like structure is present over here which is known as chromatin material. This chromatin material is just the DNA of the cell which is found as a tangled thread. So there is another cellular structure is present over here which is not a membranous structure. There is no membrane present over here. It is known as nucleolus, which is made up of RNA and protein. The outer membrane of the nucleus makes some tubular structure near the outer part of the nucleus. These tubular structures known as endoplasmic reticulum. Some are smooth endoplasmic reticulum and some are rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum which contains the ribosome or its surface is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and which does not contain ribosome are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So they do different types of work according to their body shape and structure. Nucleus, the major function of the nucleus is nucleus contains the genetic material of that particular cell. So all the genetic information are found inside the nucleus. So it protects the DNA and do the protein synthesis also occur inside the nucleus, and at the time of cell division these chromatin materials get condensed and comes into the structure of chromosomes. So at the time of cell division you can see inside the nucleus many chromosomes, and at the time of interphase when there is no division occur you can see the chromatin material because chromosomes get entangled at the time of interphase. This is the structure of chromosome. One chromosome contains two chromatids and the central contraction is known as centromere. At the centromere there are proteinous plate present. This proteinous plate is known as kinetochore. In some chromosomes there are another constriction is not present. So there is a bulging structure present over the chromosome just because of this another constriction. So that bulging structure is known as satellite DNA or the satellite. So this is a two chromatid chromosome. At the time of application there are two other chromatids arise from the single centromere. So this is also known as a single chromosome.